What's up you guys, it's Fabio Mezzogori here and I hope you're having a great day so far. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can save lots of money on a daily basis and really on almost every purchase you do online with the use of cashback websites. I'm totally transparent here and you have to know that you're not going to become rich only by using cashback websites, but if you do use them every time you purchase something, by the end of the year it can really make a big impact on your finances. The picture that I'm showing you right here is the situation of one of my accounts in the entire for the entire 2019, and as you can see I have saved more than £300 doing absolutely nothing more than what I usually do, just going through these cashback websites. Now think, wouldn't it be nice if you would be able to save on your purchases doing absolutely nothing? I personally think so, and this is the reason why I want to share this with you. In a moment I'll go over an example of one of my favorite cashback websites, which is TopCashback. I just wanted to let you know before that there are two different versions. One is gonna be completely free, and then eventually there is also the premium membership as well, in case you are interested. Just have a read through the website and see which is the best solution for you, basically. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, however it doesn't cost you anything, and you'll also get £5 sign up bonus when you sign up with the free membership as well. Alright, so after you signed up, all you have to do is to find the store you want to shop on. In this example I chose eBay. A list of other different merchants will pop up along with the one you typed in, so just make sure to check if there is another merchant with potential higher cashback that you might have forgotten. Click on the merchant you decided and click on Get Cashback Now, and you will be redirected on the merchant webpage. Once you're in, just purchase as you normally do and the transaction will be registered thanks to the cookies in your web browser. To make sure that you get the cashback every time you buy something, there's just one thing I want you to do, such as make sure to have an empty basket on the merchant webpage. All you have to do is just really go on the retailer webpage and check that the basket is empty. Otherwise, I don't know why, but sometimes the system will get trouble to recognize the cashback. If you either use Chrome or Firefox, it might be worth for you to install the plugin, so you don't even have to remember to go on TopCashback websites, because you will be basically notified by a little pop-up window anytime the system recognizes the cashback availability. This option is useful, especially at the beginning when you are just starting out. You can use TopCashback offline as well with some specific retailer. You just need to scroll down and click on On-Card Cashback, and here all you have to do is really to activate the offer and register the same debit or credit card you will use in the store. You can also get interesting cashback on gift cards as well from a lot of different retailers. Again, just scroll down at the bottom of the page and click on Top Gift Cards this time. Just go through the list and check if the retailer you're planning to buy is in the list. Click on it, select the amount you want and insert your email, and eventually click on one of the two buttons to complete the purchase. So guys, this is really all you have to do to get cashback on your purchases. Just, a simple click can save you really a lot of money every single year. As you can see, you can literally get free money using cashback websites, and this is the main reason why I absolutely love them. If after watching this video you're still not gonna use them, I personally think that you're making a big mistake, because you are just really throwing money out of the window, which you can use it for yourself, doing something maybe better. If you want to check it out, I put the link in the description of TopCashback down below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more strategies about savings, investing and trading. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.